a good indication of how the algorithm is categorizing you is by looking at your Explore feed. So when you are in Instagram and you click this little search down here at the bottom, the little magnifying glass, and you look here, this is what Instagram is saying. Okay, Ginger, this is what your interests are. This is what I'm going to show you. Therefore, this is what I expect from you, kind of thing. So most of what is in here is going to be how to make your highlights, an Instagram tip, Reels, an Instagram tip, how to become a pro at using Canva, another Instagram tip, the reality of Instagram. So the majority of my Explore feed understands who I am and where I want to be and the type of content that I'm producing. Nicole, I was talking to you about it, I think, about how I had a muscle guy in my program and he needed help with Reels. So I was helping him and I was sending him a ton of Reels and of these muscle bound guys. And I'm like, this is what you need to be doing. This is what you need to, the type of content you need to do. And I sent him all this stuff and I did it on this account because we were on a call and you know how it gets. And anyway, so then my whole Explore feed was nothing but these muscle bound and like these little speedos.